advantage.
Okay.
We are going to create a storage in Microsoft Azure.
Okay.
Okay, now so it will be
Yeah.
new for both of you.
Yes.
So in Microsoft Azure, we
Mhm.
have to first create a storage account, and then you have to
Okay.
create a storage. Okay. So in a
Okay.
search box, just type a storage account.
This one.
Yeah. Yes. Click new. All right. Click new. Select your resource group. Here you have to select resource group here. Since you do not have a resource group, let's create first.
Okay.
So below is a new button is there. Just click outside. Here we create new. Yeah. Just give it any name, maybe India. Yeah. Scroll down and just type a storage account name. Just type Sachin. All small. Uh, TPCS. All small. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have a two kind of an storage in
Mm-hmm.
in Azure. One is SSD based. One is magnetic disk based.
Okay.
If you have SSD based, it is a premium. So speed
Okay.
will be very high.
Okay.
If you go with magnetic disk base, then your uh, speed will be low, but your charge also will low.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
we are going to say SA, a standard.
Standard itself. Okay.
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 Second, it say that how many copy of your data do you want to keep? So below you have a replication option.
Yes.
Okay. If you select LRS means your when you create any data,
Mm-hmm.
it create 3 copy of your data and keep in a same data center.
Okay.
So it's called locally.
Okay.
Okay. If you say zone wise, it means that it create another again 3 copy of data, but
Mm-hmm.
this time all copy will be in different data center.
Okay.
When you say zone, it will again create a 3 copy, but in 3 different region.
Okay.
Okay, but accordingly your charge will go high,
Okay.
right? So let's select locally redundant.
So by default, it will be creating three replicas.
Yes. So by
Okay.
default it give you higher option, right?
Okay. Okay.
So but we always select locally redundant.
Okay.
Okay. Just say review and create. You have a review and create button.
Okay.
So in all cloud, the same fundamental, right?
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, no difference in that.
Mm-hmm.
Click create. So now you have you are creating a storage account.
Yeah.
After within once a storage account created, then you create a storage.
Okay.
Acha. He messaged that he is going out today.
Okay. Okay. I think this deployment has been completed.
Yes. Go to resource.
Okay.
Now here you see there is something called container. Container is just like an S3.
Okay.
Okay. So click container. Now click container. So there we create bucket. Here we create container.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Just give it any name like sales.
Sorry.
Give a name sales. And then you remember we have a
Yeah.
block public access, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So same like that, it say by default block everything, all public access. So we drop
Okay.
down and we say that container, yes. Last one, click create. Click create.
Okay.
So likewise that you can create n number of container here. Okay. For
Okay.
each
Okay.
department you can create a container.
Mm-hmm.
Now how the department people are going to upload the data, they will click this container. Click that one.
Okay.
Click the name. Now you get a upload option, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Upload any file.
Mm-hmm.
So in S3, you create a bucket. Okay.
Okay.
And whatever you store in a bucket, we call it object.
Yeah.
So sometimes S3 is also referred as object storage,
Yes. Yes.
right? But in Azure, we call it as a container instead of bucket, and
Okay.
instead of object, we call it blob. So
Block.
sometimes it is also known as blob storage.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah? So click upload. Yeah, click the button. Yeah. Select any files. Yeah. Say upload. It's a big file, huh?
It's 19 MB. Should I select the, I mean, the smaller one,
Yeah.
or it is completed?
Completed.
It's completed. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So now just click this file, MSI. Just like S3, you also get an URL here.
Okay. Okay.
You get a URL.
Yeah.
So that URL you can send to anyone in the form of
Same. Yeah.
WhatsApp, email. है ना?
Okay. Okay.
So that guy will only copy the URL and paste in their browser.
Yeah.
Paste in your browser. and that file, whatever the file you have, it will start
Downloading.
either opening or downloading.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So means either you work on AWS, Google, or AWS or Azure,
Okay.
fundamental remains same. Only the word will change, interface will change.
Okay. Okay.
Understood now?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Same thing we did in Google also, right?
Okay.
So there is no change in the Google. So
Okay.
all this storage which they provide on a cloud is a
Mhm.
cloud-based storage.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
Right? Now in Azure, let's create one virtual machine.
Okay.
So shall you get an idea about virtual machine in Azure also? So in a search box on top, type virtual machine. So you have a both practice, right?
Yeah. Vipin, just one that is like, what about the storage thing over here? Like, we have the different types of storages, right, in
Yeah,
AWS?
yeah, yeah, yeah. So there you have a S3, here we have a container.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
like types of storage. We have standard, glacier, and
Yeah, Glacier and a standard is same here. When you are storing a storage,
uh-huh.
you have to declare whether the storage is hot or a cold.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
during creation itself, you have to declare. We have
Okay.
not went to the parameters. That's why you are not able to see.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
in a parameter, you get hot storage or cold storage. Hot means S3,
Mhm.
cold means Glacier.
Okay.
Right. So let's
Yeah.
launch a virtual machine. Yeah. Select your resource group. You already have a resource group now, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Type a name VM1 and then select a operating system Windows Server 2016. Yes, give a username VM admin. First you select the size.
Okay.
So select maybe second one, which give you one CPU, 4 GB RAM.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Now give a password, password at the rate 123. Yeah, scroll down. Just like you have an SG there, here we have a SG,
Okay.
which is called security group, where you can open a port, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So drop down and select the port HTTP as well. All right. Say review and create. When the review successful, then hit create.
Okay.
Azure has more graphical way, right?
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Should I go back to resource now?
Yeah, say go back. Yeah, click. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you see on top you have a connect option.
Yeah.
Click that.
RDP.
RDP. Yeah. Here you do not require key and all, right?
Mhm.
Because it asks username and password in a dialog box itself.
Oh, in the while creating it.
Yes. Click download RDP file. Yes. Yes. Login now. After login, it's the same, right?
Yeah.
Because Windows is Windows.
Oh, username was?
Ha. No, you already downloaded, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just type VM. I think
VM
VM
admin.
admin.
VM admin. Yeah.
And password is
Password at 1, 2, 3.
yes. Now once it install a web server. Yeah, click add role and And when installation complete, you can
Okay.
go to browser,
Yeah.
put the public IP, from
Okay.
where you get a public IP on a portal itself.
Yeah. Within, as like in AWS, do you have VPC over in Azure as well?
Which one?
As like in AWS,
Uh,
or do you have VPC concept in Azure as well?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is it the same nomenclature?
Same. Now a day has come where you need more, you can say, multi-cloud technology.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Because just like that, for example, if you have to buy 10 things, okay, let's say you want to buy mobile, you want to buy a jeans, you want to
Yeah.
buy some television. So you do
Mhm.
not buy all these things from a same provider. So maybe in one provider, you found one mobile phone is more cheaper and best, while in
Yeah.
Flipkart you will found t-shirt is more cheaper, right?
Yes.
Same way that in AWS one service is cheaper, but
Yes.
in Azure another service is cheaper.
Yes.
So this is how customer will switch. They create
Yeah.
maybe some service in Azure, but another service they use another client provider, right? So
Yeah.
you are not getting that. Yes, correct.
It is yes.
Right. So now you
Yes.
you have to now delete everything. So go back to your Azure. We will park it today here only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So go to three dot. You see a three dot after Microsoft Azure. It's written Microsoft Azure.
Yeah.
Click that, and you have all resources, which is a fifth one. All resources.
Oh, sorry.
You always do this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Then select all and say delete. See a delete option. Yes. Say yes. Say delete. Yes. All right. See you tomorrow then.
Yep.
All right?
Yes.
But you try practice Azure more now. Okay.
Yes. Yes. I'll do that.
Because you know anyhow AWS.
Yeah. It is. Yeah.
It's good idea that you. I have only give you basic idea, so you can go
Mhm.
explore options also, right? While
Yeah.
creating.
Yeah.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Chalo.
Thank you.